Your tyres are the only thing keeping your vehicle connected to the road. When your tyres fail, disaster awaits. We recommend that you check your tyre pressure monthly. Also, inspect your tyres for worn treads, dry rot and damage, including bulges, blisters or cracks in the sidewall. These physical defects can cause a variety of problems, including blowouts, which can be catastrophic. Other signs that it's time to replace your tyres include excessive vibration while driving, hydroplaning on wet roads, excessive skidding or sliding in light snow and slush, or if you find that you frequently need to add air to your tyres. Our certified auto technicians have years of experience repairing, replacing and servicing all kinds of tyres. We offer a wide range of styles and brands at prices to fit almost any budget. Experience the security and peace of mind you deserve. Contact our tyre experts today.